Welcome back, my lovely peeps. It is good to see you. My name is Beth. And today I'm going to be continuing the tutorial I have in Magical Jungle. Previously, we had done the wet background. And now we're going to do the dry background. I'm going to be using my Mungo pastels. And like I mentioned previously, the background is going to set your mood. In this one, I have a very bright and cheerful yellow-orange. In this one, I'm going to go with more of a darker tone. I'm going to do some browns, maybe a little red. And I will use my pads. Alright, so let's see. My shape I have here going that way, so I should do this one going that way. Let's see how dark this is. Doesn't look very dark, does it? Let's see what we get out of this. Very pale. Most of it's just going on the pad. Little splash I had from yesterday. Well, not yesterday. Was it yesterday? Maybe. I'm losing track of my time. Nah, I don't like that. Just, I mean, it's a good color. It gives it a very nice little warmy glow like. But I want a little darker. Let's try this. And I'm going to use the same pad. Yeah, that's a little better. Still pretty pale. And you'll notice that I am going over the lines. Be messy. If I have any rule at all for my coloring, it is be messy. Alright, let's give this a little red. Red, brown. That's really dark. That's a red, brown. This looks like a sepia. That would be nice. See what that does. I don't like it when I get little circles of color, even though I'm using a circular motion. I have no idea why I do that when I know darn well I don't like circles. I'm going to go with the lavender for my point. On guard. I'm coming in with lavender. Now I'm going to use a different color, different side, because I want unsullied. And wow, this didn't show up at all. At all, not a touch. All right, darker. Oh, don't want that. We will take care of that. There we go. There we go. And to get rid of chalk is very simple. An eraser. In fact, I'm going to use a bigger eraser. It's a pretty big spot. Now, I just thought to mention, now, I'm ready for my sealant. Look what happened. I am so terrible about this. All right. Good. Now I'm going to seal it. Like I did here with the ground. I'm going to do that over here now to seal that background, that chalk. Still got a little bit. I did order some more. It is on its way. It won't get here for Christmas. Like, who cares? But yeah. It's coming. I got some gesso too, just to see how it works. From the little blurb, it's good for acrylics. I don't use that many acrylics, but I'm sure other people do. There will be some smearing because, you know, it's chalk. But just incorporate it into your drawing. And there we go. That is our background for the dry. It is a lot simpler than the wet. But it's paler. Should have gone a little bit more like that, but okay. All right, so we're gonna let that dry. This will be the end of video 2. Yeah, 1, 2. And the next one, what am I doing next? All right, we're going to start on the leaves next, which is actually my favorite part of a picture. So look forward to that. I will put links down in the description to previous and next, so you can just follow along even if you're coming in a year later. Okay, guys, we'll see you in a little bit. Bye.